Hi for everyone, my name is Juan Diego Pedraza, I'm studying civil engineering and I want to do my master in mobility and transportation systems. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about multimodal transportation systems. Maybe you wonder what is multimodal transportation systems? Multimodal transportation systems is an integrated system that incorporates different modes of transportation and offer connectivity between them. In this video, I'm gonna explain two advantages of implementing this system in cities and the type of transportation modes that integrate this system. First, the modes of transportation that make up this system are carpooling, bicycle, public transport, and walking. Carpooling refers to vehicle sharing through a digital platform. Drivers and passengers can search for available trips and cars with free seats. A good example of carpooling is the page Wheels Uniandes in Facebook. This page has 15,000 members of the Uniandes community, and through these professors and students share these trips. Likewise, the Waze platform implemented in some countries the Waze Carpool app. In the case of bicycle, is currently the best transportation mode. You can reduce your commuting times, benefit your mental and emotional health, and reduce the CO2 emissions. In the case of Bogota, it has 117 kilometers of bicycle roads and is the city with most kilometers in bicycle roads in America. Public transport is mainly made up of mass transportation systems and the metro network. In Bogota, the first metro line is going to be built and which has 24 kilometers will be opened in 2028. On the other hand, Bogota currently has 11 lines of Transmilenio, but in 2025 it opened the line of 68th Avenue and this line has 17 kilometers. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the advantages in the cities with the implementation of multimodal transportation systems in terms of mobility and environmental impacts. The traditional transportation planning focuses almost exclusively on private car trip. The multimodal transportation systems focuses in diverse transportation modes. When people replace the car as a means of transport by bicycle or public transport, it contributes to decrease in traffic on the main roads in the city. In the case of Bogota, the average speed at peak hours is 8 kilometers per hour, and it is the most congested city in America and is the second most congested city in the world after Mumbai, India. On a trip that you use a private car, you spend an hour. If you use a public transport or bicycle, you spend half half an hour. On February 6, on the no car day, the average speed increased to 27 kilometers per hour, and that is the 22% better than the average in Bogota. Now, in terms of environmental benefits, the use of the multimodal transport system greatly reduces CO2 emissions. As you can see in the graph, 65% of that emissions are due to use private cars compared to 1% to passenger rail and bus emissions. In the case of Bogota, we again take as a reference the no car day. On this day, the use of Transmilenio increased 11%. The use of SATP increased 23%, and the average speed on the roads increased 14%. The satisfaction of the Bogota citizens by the reduction of pollution, by the reduction of auditory contamination, and the reduction of the traffic congestion is evident. Thank you.